She smashed a watch worth $10 million, then hung a strand of hair on the watch hands. As the hands moved, the hair gradually tightened, and she memorized the timing with each tick. When it reached the 15th tick, the hair snapped, and she immediately flashed a smug smile. But the next second she froze, because from the two women's expressions, she could tell her approach was completely wrong. This was a spy test, and one of these two women had stolen intelligence from the safe. Her job was to identify which one had stolen the intelligence. Initially, Annie was dismissive because this seemed easy to her. She then sprinkled cigarette ash on the safe's handle and dial, then gently blew on it. But both women were wearing gloves and hadn't left any fingerprints. So Annie removed her hairpin, straightened it, and inserted it into the lock to open the safe. But when she opened it, there was only a single strand of hair inside. She quickly grabbed hair samples from both women to compare, but their hair texture and color were identical. There was no way to tell them apart. Just then, Annie suddenly noticed something odd about the glass wall on the right. She went over to examine it closely and discovered a man standing on the other side. Then she picked up the 3 strands of hair, and repeated the same process as before. When she saw the last strand of hair break after the 16th tick, Annie confidently stood up and announced the thief's number. Finally, Annie passed with flying colors and successfully entered the spy headquarters. But she had no idea this would cost her her life.